My name is Angela Kazimbaya RUTAGWERA. I've been coming to this church starting mid last year from Lusaka. Since I started coming here in my life, I've seen a lot of change, but significantly the past 1 month, yeah. In my relationship, marriage with my husband, I'm experiencing tranquility and peace and calm. I can relate to it probably as a sign that God indeed answers prayers.
Good. My name is David RUTAGWERA. We live in Lusaka with my wife. This is my 3rd time here. And basically we came here because a lot of things didn't make sense. And we wanted answers, we wanted solutions.
Personally, I had some kind of resentment, anger, and bitterness towards him. And basically, I used to challenge him, even if he means well. I'll just try to challenge him to just frustrate him or whatever. I can't even explain what that was.
Yeah, on my side, it was basically, maybe I'd say 2 things. Fear and, in a way, disappointment. Where you think you are doing everything, but don't get appreciated. So because of that, it's like I threw in a towel. I said, let whatever happen, happen, basically. So maybe I stopped putting in any effort. I just let everything be on autopilot. Yeah, and that was it was very hard and very painful.
Restore our altars again. Yeah, we cry. Restore our fire again. Oh, restore, restore our love for you again. Restore, 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 restore. Restore.
But now, I think with the peace of God, I'm able to kind of sit back and let him take lead. The anger, the bitterness I had, I don't even know where it has gone. That is just something very, very fascinating. I remember at one point I was saying, if it was the old me, something happened. I remember. And I said, if it was the old me, I would have acted A, B, C, D. Okay? But then here I am. I can't even explain why I haven't reacted the same way I used to react to such a situation. And for me, that was some kind of awakening to God to say, from God to say, this is what I'm actually doing. This is what I'm working towards to.
First time she literally dragged me. Yeah, so she told me that she had found a church she liked, and basically I was supporting her the first time. Yeah, and since that time, we come together, and basically, yeah, that was it for me. But her, I think she was touched from the very first time she came here.
For me, I can say it feels like home. I literally like the praise, worship, the singing. I think I can do that the whole day. And that beat just gives me some kind of moment, vibe, and I feel God's presence in my life. Every time I'm here, I'm able to count God's blessing, how He has moved me from one point to another to another. I definitely feel at home. It's a very good environment. I would like to encourage everyone to take time, to find time to come here, not just because you have problems, but if you just need God's presence, if you just need some encouragement, some encounter, I think this is definitely a place to be.
Oh, restore the fellowship of the Spirit again. Restore our love again. Oh, restore. Oh, restore.
First time I came here, I think that was a warning from God because it kept bothering my spirit. I heard my uncle speak about this church, and I said, why am I still seeing my uncle in my dream talking to say you should come to the Arena of Liberty? So I said, what is this? So one time I just came to visit Mom, and I remember we were just at ShopRite. Then I said, Mom, do you know this place where Uncle Evans goes? So I said, yes, I know. I said, I want to go there now. I want to be on the prayer line. So she looked at me and was like, why? I said, I just want to go there. I'm just very curious. So I came and I kind of was testing my faith, and what I was praying for that time actually happened in a split moment. And I went back home, I shared with him, I think he didn't believe me. So I continued coming. I brought my sister, I brought my friends. But for me, it has been kind of delaying everything. But I feel it's because I didn't have the peace and a kind of mindset I needed in my home. And with time, I think I realized I needed some kind of peace and a healthy relationship with my spouse, so that at least I can make a step forward. So it has been a journey for me, and I hope he'll continue on that journey.
Restore our prayer lives again. Yes, we cry. Restore our altars again. Oh, we cry.
But you can literally see the presence of God and the power of the Holy Spirit at work, which I like, and you get touched. So it's it's like you are in the presence of God. That's what I like. Yeah, and that's a good feeling if the heart is open, basically. So I enjoy that. I've enjoyed that. Yeah, but yes, it's. I mean, the first time there was more like a cultural shock. You get the point. You're used to a structured church service, very traditional, and then you come here. It's a bit different, but it's different in a good way because you are involved. You participate, basically everybody participates.
Restore the Spirit again. Restore truth to us again.
We are beginning anew, and with God's help, God's being the center of this marriage, I'm sure we're going to have happier days.
Indeed.
And I can attest to the fact that there's more peace now. Peace, and things are improving. And basically we are waiting for the manifestation of God's promises made in the spirit. We want them now in the physical. Yeah. So like she said, our relationship has improved greatly in the past few months.
We're praying together.
Yes.
We're praying together.
Yes. Still some challenges, but even those we are working through them.
I am enjoying what I'm experiencing now in my marriage, in my home. The relationship is definitely taking a different turn. I feel like I'm falling in love again.
Good luck.